Good day, everyone. Welcome to Versati Construction Corporation. On this video, I'm going to discuss to you the details on how to earn in our company. So we have three ways to earn. First is what we call the startup bonus. Second will be the three-level team sales. And last will be the rank up rewards. Okay, so first is the startup bonus. But before I discuss kung paano kumita dito, let me just share to you first ano nga ba yung mga process natin. So this will be just a summary, okay? So at least alam ninyo as a marketing associate, ano nga ba yung inyong participation during the process. So the first phase will be the pre-assessment. So on this point, you are going to educate your client about the services that we offer. So meaning to say, dito po madalas yung nagtatanong sila. And at least you're going to provide them the basic information about their queries. So don't you worry. Meron naman po tayong weekly training. Ang tawag namin doon is team meeting na kung saan lahat po ng mga bagay na dapat ninyong matutunan, yung mga frequently asked questions, yan, paano mag-generate ng estimate quotation, ano yung mga process natin, mga packages natin, tinuturo po namin yun during the team meeting. Yan, so don't you worry. Okay? So, ang pinaka-purpose lang po or ang pinaka-goal natin dito sa pre-assessment na to is ma-book natin actually yung client for the online technical consultation. Kasi take note, especially if you're doing this via chat, no, kausap ninyo yung mga client ninyo via chat, hindi naman kasi lahat talaga maiintindihan nila kagad because ang crucial dun, walang visual. So the important of the online technical consultation is first, syempre kausap po nila yung technical team and at least during the presentation, meron po tayong mga visuals for them to at least easily understand yung mga sinasabi namin. Na for example, yung mga packages natin, yung process ng loan, ano yung mga requirements, etc. Next po, the technical consultation. This will be our second phase. Meron tayong reservation fee dito which is very minimal amount lang naman na 1,000 peso. Now, take note, hindi po natin to charge para lang for the purpose na pagkakitaan yung client, but this will be at least for them to value yung slot na ibibigay natin sa kanila. Kasi before, we are offering this for free, kaso ang problema, hindi po vina-value yung time. Let's say, for example, we book them 8 p.m., tapos pagdating ng 8 p.m., hindi po sila nagpapakita or hindi sila uma-attend. So, sayang naman na kung saan sana yung oras na yun, ibinigay na lang natin doon talaga sa mga kliyenteng really that is really interested no to join the technical consultation or really interested na talagang mag-pursue yung kanilang ipapagawang project. Okay? Now, also part of the technical consultation will be we are going to discuss to them the company details, sino ba si Versati, yung mga process namin, yung packages, and also yung if they are going to be interested naman dun sa ating build now pay later, we are also going to discuss to them the loan process and all the details necessary. Yan. And after that will be the preparation for the next phase. Third phase will be the processing phase. So dito na po kung saan kailangan ng buuin ng kliyente yung ating commitment fee, which is 100,000. So ang kanyang balance na lang is 99,000 kasi nagbayad na po siya ng 1,000 during the technical consultation. So that 1,000 peso will be deducted from the total commitment fee of 100,000. So again, sabi ko nga, lahat po ng dinidiscuss ko dito, this will be discuss further no during our technical meeting. So kung meron kayong mga bagay na hindi masyadong maintindihan dito, feel free po to attend our team meeting and pwede po ninyong itanong doon para at least mag-clear out po lahat ng inyong mga questions. Okay? So part of the processing phase, yan na. Diyan na po magsisimula yung planning and designing. Yan na yung kine-create na yung mga blueprint, etc. Yung mga kailangan na billing of materials, estimate, and all necessary part of the design and planning stage. Yan. Tapos, dyan na rin po natin iayos yung preparation for the loan processing and application. Okay. And the last phase will be the construction phase. Ito na po yung groundbreaking, tapos start na nung construction ng project, and hanggang maging turnover of the finished project. Ayan. So take note po ninyo na dito po sa slide na to, nakapula po yung 1,000 and 99,000. As I've mentioned a while ago, our commitment fee is 100,000 peso. So ang startup bonus po natin is magbe-base po doon sa ating tinatawag na commitment fee amounting to 100,000 peso. Okay, so paano po kumita? No, Now, this is you. So this will be considered your personal sales. Okay, so ang kitaan po dito will all be based sa ating personal sales. So for example, you have 3 clients no, na nagbayad ng commitment fee. Ang inyo pong commission doon will be 20% of the commission or 20% of the commitment fee. Okay? So for example, nung nagbayad siya ng 1,000 peso, so every payment, ito pong kagandahan kasi we do have a system. Every marketing associate will have their own dashboard, their own account, own username and password. So the moment that you log in there, lahat po ng inyong commission makikita ninyo doon. So hindi po tayo manual dito. So the moment that we encode the client, every time na magbabayad po yan, automatic po yung ating system, i-compute or i-generate na po kaagad yung inyong income and papasok po kaagad yun or magre-reflect kaagad yun sa inyong dashboard. Okay? Also, during our team meeting, dinidiscuss din namin yun. Ine-explain namin yung feature ng ating website. So, yun po ang kagandahan sa Versati. No? So, we're not doing this manually na kung saan you don't have to go to the office para i-check lagi or i-monitor yung magkano ba binayad ng client ko, magwi-withdraw na ako, ang dami mong pipirmahan. So dito po, online po tayo. We have a website, so every income will be generated dun sa inyong personal dashboard and anytime pwede niyo pong i-withdraw yung inyong mga commission. Okay, so ganun po yung ating sistema dito. Alright? So again, your commission for the startup bonus will be 20% of the commitment fee. So every time po na magbabayad si client, so for example, yung 1,000, automatic pag nagbayad po yan, you will earn 200 peso. Tapos halimbawa, nag-installment siya doon sa ating commitment fee, nagbayad siya ng 10K, another 2,000 peso hanggang mabuo po yung 100,000. So for example, binayaran niyo ng buo yung 100,000, ang inyong total commission for the commitment fee will be 20,000 pesos. Okay? So yan po yung details about the startup bonus. Second way to earn will be the 3-level team sales. So take note po, no, yung ating 3-level team sales and yung kasunod po na rank up rewards, yung commission po dito will be based on the remaining project cost. So ano pong ibig sabihin nun? So kung kanina yung startup bonus will be based on the commitment fee na 100,000 peso. So for example, ang total project cost is 1.1 million less the commitment fee of 100,000. Ang remaining project cost na lang will be 1 million peso. So doon po kukunin or doon i-compute yung inyong commission for the 3-level team sales and rank up rewards. Ayan, para clear lang po, no? What is level 1? That will be your personal sales and that will always be you, no? Yan. So, for example, you have 3 clients na nagpagawa ng bahay. Ang inyo pong commission dyan will be 3% of the remaining project cost. So every time po na nagbabayad si client, magko-compute po yung inyong website or yung inyong dashboard ng 3% of the total payment based on the remaining project costs. And automatic po yan, magre-reflect kagad yan sa inyong available balance sa inyong dashboard and anytime of the day, pwede po ninyong i-withdraw yan. Okay. Now, next, level 2 will be your direct agents. Ano pong ibig sabihin niya? For example, may mga kaibigan po kayo na interested din po sa ganitong opportunity. You can offer this for free. So take note, to become a marketing associate, we don't charge anything here. No, you don't have to pay even a single peso to become a marketing associate. Everything is for free. You just have to register your account. But for you to be registered, kailangan po ninyo ng tinatawag na direct marketing associate kasi kailangan nyo pong hingin sa kanila yung tinatawag na sponsor or the registration link. Because if you're just going to access our website, hindi nyo po ma-access yung registration page nun unless, sabi ko nga, kausapin nyo po yung tao na nag-invite or nag-share ng video na to, they will be giving you a registration link and that link, you can access the registration page to register your account for free. Okay? So, wala pong babayaran dito. Wala kang kailangang bilhin na product, walang kailangang maintenance na any gamot, sabon, kape. Wala pong mga ganun dito. No, this is not a networking. This is affiliate marketing po to. So, everything is for free here. You just have to work it out. Okay. So, again, level 2. Sino nga ulit yung mga level 2? Yan po yung mga kakilala ninyo or hindi nyo mga kakilala. So anyone po na magre-register using your registration link, they will become your level 2 or direct agents. Okay? And doon po sa inyong dashboard, sa inyong marketing associate account, mamomonitor nyo po lahat yan. Lahat po ng tao na nag-register under your link will be monitored to your account. Makikita mo lahat ng mga pangalan nila. Okay? So, ano naman po ang benefit niyan? So, for example, you have a direct agent and then meron din siyang client na tatlo. So, kung kanina, kumita ka ng 3% on the remaining project cost, of course, yung inyong direct agent, kikita rin sila ng 3% on the remaining project cost ng kanilang client. And you, as their immediate marketing associate, you will be earning 1% of the total or 1% of the remaining project cost ng lahat ng kliyente ng inyong mga direct agent. Okay? Yan. And agad po yan, the moment that they paid, magre-reflect din po kaagad yan sa inyong dashboard. Next, sub-agents, that will be your level 3. Sino naman yung mga level 3 na yan? Yan naman po syempre yung mga kakilala ng mga direct agents mo. Na itong mga taong to, nag-register din sila using the registration link ng mga direct agents mo. So, malamang sa malamang, baka itong mga to, hindi mo nakakilala. But, again, they will be part of your sub-agents or level 3 agents. So, ano naman po ang benefit niyan? So, for example, they also have their clients. So, syempre sila, kikita rin sila ng 3%. Yung kanilang immediate na marketing associate, which is your level 2, they will also earn 1%. And ikaw, kahit wala ka nang ginawa dyan, you will also earn 1% of the remaining project costs. Yan. So that will be our 3-level team sales. So take note, 3%, 1%, 1%. Last way to earn will be the rank up rewards. So as I've mentioned a while ago, para po maging part ka ng aming community, you just have to become a marketing associate by getting or by asking the registration link doon sa taong nag-invite po sa inyo or nag-share ng video ito. So you just have to register your account and just wait po na ma-approve po yung inyong account. And also, as I have mentioned kanina, you don't have to pay any single peso. Wala ka pong babayaran ditong membership fee. Wala kang kailangang biling produkto. Magre-register lang po tayo. Okay? So, the moment na na-approve na po ng aming admin yung inyong account, ma-unlock na po yung startup bonus and yung 3-level team sales na in-explain ko po kanina. Okay, so what's next? After marketing associate, ang next na rank po will be senior associate. So paano po maging senior associate? Ang kailangan lang po dyan is makakuha kayo ng at least 10 po ng marketing associate ninyo. So maghahanap ka ng 10 direct agent ninyo. Okay? And after that, personal saves lang po na or a total project cost lang po na 6 million pesos. So regardless po kung isang bahay yan, dalawang bahay, or tatlong bahay. Okay, so take note po, no? Ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito is construction. If we are going to talk about 6 million peso sa mundo po ng construction, maliit lang po yan. Okay, kung ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is 6 million, tapos magbebenta ka po ng lipstick, of course po, sobrang laki na po ng 6 million. So dito may mga agents tayo na isang bahay lang, more than 6 million na yung cost ng construction. Okay, so ang goal mo lang po dito, if you would like to rank up and become a senior associate, again, you just have to get 10 marketing associates and a total project cost of 6 million peso. And take note po, ang ating rank up rewards, wala po tong expiry. Okay? Kahit magawa mo to after 2 years, yung points po na nabuo or yung points na naandun sa inyong website, sa inyong dashboard, hindi po yun magre-refresh. Okay? So, what's the benefit of becoming a senior associate? First, doon sa 3-level team sales, ang kita po ninyo doon is 180,000 plus we, the Versati company, we are going to give you a cash reward, no, amounting to 50,000 peso. So becoming a senior associate, your tentative income here or your potential income here is 230,000 peso. Senior associate rank pa lang po yan. Next, supervisor. Paano maging supervisor? Kung kanina, meron kang 10 marketing associate, tutulungan mo lang po at least 5 po dyan na maging senior associate din katulad ng ginawa mo. So the good thing about the affiliate marketing po is dito, tulungan po dito. Okay, so kung magaling ka po, dapat mas magaling po yung inyong mga agent. Hindi po katulad dun sa labas, no, na kunwari magaling ka, you are avoiding to teach other person, other people, kasi gusto mo ikaw lang yung nakakapag-close deal lagi eh. Sa mundo po ng affiliate marketing, dapat dito maging team leader ka, tulungan po dito. Kaya gustong-gusto po namin ng affiliate marketing kasi dito bawal maging selfish. So we are going to work here as a team. So hilaan po tayo paangat lahat. So wala pong tulakan, no? Hilaan paangat, so lahat po, everybody happy. At least lahat po dapat magkaroon ng resulta. So yun po yung vision namin dito. Okay? So again, to become a supervisor, out of the 10 marketing associate na nag-register sa'yo, at least 5 po dyan, matulungan nyo na maging senior associate katulad mo, and they will also earn 230,000. Okay? After that, dagdag lang tayo ng additional total project cost of 1.2 million. Personal sales yan. Na-hit nyo na po yung supervisor rank. What will happen kapag naging supervisor ka, doon sa 3-level team sales, kumita ka na po ng 336,000 plus cash reward from Versati na 100,000 peso. Your potential income here to become a supervisor is 436,000. Okay? Next. Next rank will be manager. Paano naman maging manager? Out of the 5 senior associates na meron ka kanina, at least 4 lang po dyan, matulungan mo maging supervisor katulad mo. And they will also earn potential income of 436,000. So how good is that? Diba? Imagine mo, kumikita ka na and also you are giving result as well sa iyong grupo, no? Becoming a team leader. Okay? Now, once you have a 4 supervisor, dagdag ka lang ng additional total project cost of 1.2 million personal sales, manager ka na. So, ano ang benefits kapag naging manager ka? Once you become a manager, you will unlock the team shares. Ibig sabihin, yung 4th level, 5th level, 6th level pababa, up to infinity, you will now start to earn 20% from the remaining project cost. So hanggang kaduluduluhan po ng inyong ng nabuo mong organization, you will be earning 0.20% of the remaining project cost, which is mamaya dun sa next rank, makikita nyo po yung effect niyan. Okay? Sa 3 level naman, you will earn 84,000, and also we are going to give you again a cash reward amounting to 250,000, and your total potential earnings here will be 334,800. Manager rank up. Okay? The senior manager, paano naman maging senior manager? Out of the 4 supervisors that you have here, at least 3 dyan, matulungan mo ring maging manager katulad mo. Tapos, additional total project cost, personal sales mo na 1.2 million, senior manager ka na. So ano po yung benefit niyan? First, you will unlock the team shares na magiging 30% na siya. So from 0.20%, it will now be increased to 0.30%. Okay? Tapos, dun sa 3-level team sales, ang kinita mo doon is 216,000. Tapos, ang cash reward from Versati will be 500,000 peso. And ano tong team sales na to? Ito po yung ina-explain ko kanina na from the 0.20% team shares, yung from 4th level pababa, ang total accumulation income na pwede mong ma-hit dyan nung ginagol mo yung senior manager will be 720,000. Your potential income once you become a senior manager will be a total of 1.4 million peso. Next, regional manager. For the regional manager, ang goal mo na lang po dito is to create 2 senior manager. So from the 3 managers that you have created here, at least 2 po dyan, matulungan mo ring maging senior manager, tapos wala na pong kailangan na personal sales. Alright? So kung kukumpitin natin yung personal sales dito, that will be 6 million plus 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 1.2, that will be a total of 9.6 million. Take note, kung dito pa lang po sa senior associate, kapag pasok ka na ng 9.6 million na project cost, pagdating ng supervisor, manager, and senior manager, you don't have to hit the 1.2 million. Okay? Again, Sa kabuuan po ng rank up rewards, a total of 9.6 million lang po yung kailangan nating i-hit. So, again, kapag sa senior associate pa lang nakapag 9.6 ka na and above, dito sa supervisor, manager, and senior manager, hindi mo na po kailangan mag-hit ng personal sales. Optional na lang po kung gusto mo pang magpasok ng sales. Alright? Now, let's go back to the regional manager. So, paano maging regional? As I've mentioned, you just have to create 2 senior managers. Once you become a regional manager, what will happen? Your team shares will now increase to 0.40%. Your 3-level team sales income is 96,000. Your cash reward from Versati will now be 1 million peso. And your team sales, saan nanggaling to? Yan po yung result ng 0.30% mo kaninang team shares from the senior manager rank. Okay? So, 2.2 million team sales po yan from the 4th level hanggang kaduluduluhan ng inyong organization. So, your potential income once you become a regional manager will be 3.3 million pesos. All right. Next, and the last one will be the director rank. So, paano maging director? You just have to create 2 regional manager. So, yung dalawang senior manager mo nito, you just help them to become a regional manager as well, katulad mo. Okay? Once na nagawa mo yan, again, hindi mo na kailangan ng personal sales, hindi mo na kailangan magpasok ng project cost. Once na director ka na, the result will be your team shares will now increase again to 0.50%. Your 3-level team sales is 48,000. Kung mapapansin mo, bumaba na. Kasi karamihan po ng sales mo rito or ng commission mo dito will be coming na po doon sa kabuuan ng organization mo. So, ang i-enjoy mo rito, yung tinatawag na team shares percent. Okay? As you can see, 3-level is 48,000. Your cash reward from us, Versati, is 2 million peso. And your team sales is now 7.5 million peso. And your potential income there is 9.6 million. If we are going to compute all of the commissions that you have received here, that's a total of 15.3 million peso. So just imagine, this is the power of affiliate marketing po. Kasi if you're just gonna be doing this alone, yung personal sale, which is I'm not against naman po no, sa personal sales, option nyo po So ulitin ko lang po, this is not, hindi po namin minamandate or fina-force lahat na gawin to. If you think na okay ka na dun sa personal sales lang na 3%, okay lang po yun. Okay? Pag gusto mo naman ng mag-level up to become a leader, to have an organization, to have a passive income, ito po yung benefit naman ng 3-level team sales and rank up rewards. Okay? So you're not gonna be doing this alone. Again, sabi ko nga po, this requires team effort. So sabihin natin 15 million yan, 15 million is still 15 million. Even if sabihin natin mangyari yan after 5 years from now, 10 years from now, that is still 15 million. So I hope you understand po yung ating ways to earn sa Versati Construction Corporation. So what's the next thing to do? First, you just have to decide. Sabi nga namin, this is not for everyone. If you think this is good for you, just let us know. Pagtulungan natin. If not naman po, okay lang po. Okay? At the end of the day, kung ano po yung decision nyo, yun po yung masusunod. And also, again, next, after you decided na maging part ng community namin, you just have to register your free Versati account. Again, that's for free. You don't have to pay anything. Wala pong bibiling product. Okay? After you have created your Versati account, join po kayo dun sa aming Discord channel. Please ask the person who invited you or who shared this video to you kung paano mag-join doon sa ating Discord channel. The reason why we are using Discord channel para organize po. Kasi if you're gonna be using Messenger group chat, masyado po kasing magulo. For example, nag-post kami ng important announcement today. After a few hours, ang daming nag-like, ang daming nag-comment, maya-maya, kakalagin mo, kakacheck mo ng GC, natabunan na po yung announcement. So sa Discord, it's very organized. May channel ang bawat lahat ng announcement, etc. So again, after you have registered your account, please ask your direct marketing associate to help you or to guide you kung paano po makapasok po dun sa ating Discord channel. Next, attend ka po ng ating mga team training. It's very crucial, especially if you are newbie sa construction or sa sales. attend po kayo lagi ng team training natin, no? That's for free naman. So we're going to help you, we're going to teach you how to do the business, how to talk with clients, paano mag-quote. Actually, you don't have to master here yung construction mismo. Hindi mo kailangang problemahin kung paano yung bubong, yung yung painting, yung trusses, etc. So you don't have to master those things. Yung basic process lang po talaga ang ating kailangang matutunan dito. Kasi sabi ko nga, the moment na nakausap niyo yung client, ang goal lang is maka-attend sila ng ating tinatawag na technical consultation. And we, Versati, we are going to help you to close the deal. All right, so thank you very much in advance, and I would like to welcome you in advance to Versati Construction Corporation. So if you think this opportunity is for you, please message the person who shared you this video and see you during our team meeting. Goodbye. Thank you.